The great thing about a 1031 exchange is it gives you the opportunity to defer those taxes to a later time. Hi everyone, Travis Spear, Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. If this is your first time checking us out on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel so you get notifications of new content that we put out. And if you're seeing this on Facebook, please comment, like, or share so other people in your network can see what we're doing. Today, I'm gonna talk to you about 1031 exchanges and provide more or less a 30,000 foot view of this strategy. I think in today's real estate market, really regardless of which market you're in, prices are up, and if you have a rental portfolio, this could be a great time to get rid of that dog property. And you know which one I'm talking about, the one where the tenant's bugging you, or it's hard to manage, or it's hard to rent, but the values might be up in that area, and if you have some good equity, it could be a great time to trade that for a better deal. And so I'm going to show you a quick example on something I was able to accomplish using the 1031 strategy. And this I was able to do a couple years ago, and I still find it to be a great strategy for real estate investors. So I'm just going to share the numbers on the deal with you really quickly. I bought it for $73,000. I put $17,000 into the deal, so my basis into the deal was $90,000. Now I rounded some numbers to protect the innocent, but I think that you'll find this information useful. A few years later, I think it was about 3 years later, I sold the house for $235,000. Now I had it rented the entire time, and it was an okay property. The challenge was it was only 2 bedroom, 2 bath, about 1,100 square feet in a neighborhood where most of the houses were 3 or 4 bedrooms and a couple more bathrooms. So I was having trouble getting the rent I needed to support this value. Closing costs to sell it, of course, you have real estate agents, title company, and that type of stuff, maybe a few repairs to get it ready to put on the market. So minus those fees, $218,000. So I take the $218 minus my original basis of $90,000, and I had $128,000 to play with. Now what happens typically when you make money, whether it be in real estate or your regular job, you have to pay taxes on the money or the gain that you've created. The great thing about a 1031 exchange is it gives you the opportunity to defer those taxes to a later time. So if I had to pay taxes on this deal, it would have been about $33,000. So started with $128,000, would have paid $33,000 in taxes, and went home with a check for $95,000. Now, I'm not mad about having a check for $95,000, but my intent here was to reinvest this into another deal. I actually ended up buying 2 more deals that were newer, easier to manage, and had increased my total rents. And they were great properties. So what I did was took the $128,000 tax deferred and went out and bought 2 properties. So I replaced the one with the 2 to grow my portfolio while getting rid of a property that I didn't see as a great long-term asset. Or you could pay the taxes on it and take home the $95,000. So depending on your own strategy and your business, you might consider cleaning up your portfolio a little bit by selling 1 or 2 properties. We might refer to them as dog properties, and to get better deals in your portfolio. Or maybe you feel like the market's in a place where you should cash out and take the 100 grand and move on. Thanks for joining me in this video. Please check us out at pinefinancialgroup.com. Leave us some comments and questions down below, and I'd be happy to interact with you on this deal or other real estate business. Thank you.